Mouth and lip wrinkles and marionette and jowl lines can be very aging, and other than injectables, there's very little you can do to treat them at home with skincare. Our 100% medical grade silicone mouth pads are designed to help smooth out the wrinkles and lines from all around the mouth. It's really easy. The most important thing is to start with clean, dry skin, so no creams, serums, moisturisers or toners, as they'll interfere with the adhesive on the silicone pads and stop them from sticking. Inside the pack you'll find 2 silicone mouth pads and a storage sheet. To reveal the sticky adhesive side, you can peel off the plastic film which can be thrown away. The mouth shape is designed to be worn on the upper or lower lip lines simply by inverting the shape. To apply the pad, simply stick it down onto the skin and smooth it down. Now Wrinkles Schminkles goes to work. It keeps the skin taut, so it helps prevent the skin from creasing and the wrinkles can't form while you sleep. At the same time, the properties of the medical grade silicone itself are working with the skin to help draw up moisture, hydration and blood flow to the skin surface. This can help stimulate collagen. In the morning, gently peel off the silicone pad like this and store it face down on the storage sheet included in your pack. Even after just one use, you may see smoother and more line-free skin, and results can be even better over time. It's easy and it's effective. Wrinkles Schminkles works its magic while you get your beauty sleep.